Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What are we doing today?
Okay, we're going to bring you to the market that we have in our area. It's only on Thursday. I'm already wearing a face mask, but not many stalls are open. Just food stalls are open, and the rest are closed. So enjoy the ride with us. It's a little bit cold. The wind is cold.
Yeah, the wind is cold.
Yeah. Beautiful houses. My hands are cold. We've arrived at our location.
Hello.
Hi, Alex.
Hi Sandra. How are you today?
Good.
Okay.
Do I still keep it on?
Yeah, leave it on.
I'm nervous. This is our fruit stall. Only food stalls are open and flower shops. See? Very little stalls are open. Help!
Right? Yeah?
Samen net een kilo, ja. Je hebt grillworst, ja. Deze hele met kaas of zonder kaas. Dit is zonder, dit is met. Ik vind het tenminste erg lekker met.
Remember yesterday we bought the eggs from the farmer? We paid €2 for 10 eggs. Here they're selling 10 eggs for $1.90. So we only paid about 10 cents extra. In the supermarket it would be about $1.50. So it was still a bargain. They have eggs there. And then here the chicken. We're buying 3 chicken. I'll chop it up tomorrow in the morning and then freeze it. So we don't have to come to the market for about 2 weeks. It's a cold wind blowing.
Kilo bijna.
We bought
Maiskip.
mice kip,
Ja.
corn kip.
So I bought 3 chicken for €20.45.
Okay. Can you spray your hand?
Ja.
Ja, dat dan wel. Nou, het is wel op één. En daar kan je dan misschien nog wel.
It's very crowded by the fish boer, hè?
Yeah.
Ja.
Kijk, en als het dan één is, dan kan je misschien nog wel eens wassen. Ja.
Okay.
Are we going home now?
Ja.
Do you need anything from Krautvaart?
Nee, maar ja.
Nog niet, eh?
Nee.
Okay. So that was our short trip to the market. We are going home now. We're going to prepare to go to the garden.
Okay. Bye
Do you-
bye. See you next time.
Okay, so we bid you goodbye.
En dat ze ook dan zelf.
And Alex too. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.